Hi everybody, welcome back to Let's Talk About Skin. I am your host Amanda, and today we're gonna talk about one of my favorite things. You're gonna think I'm the most ridiculous person on the planet. We're gonna talk about cleansing. I know, you're probably like, what? Seriously? This is what we're talking about today? Yes, it's super important because the majority of people are under cleansing and then they're over moisturizing. And let me just tell you, the cleansing is the most important step you will ever do. Do you wanna know why? Of course you do. I will tell you why. Because if you don't cleanse properly or good enough or deep enough, everything else you do is bullshit, to be honest. If you are spending all this money and time on serums and moisturizers and sunscreens and all these great things to work for your skin, to help correct things in your skin, but you're not cleaning deep enough, all those products can't penetrate to be effective to do what they're supposed to do. So I always like to explain it like this. A cleanser is made to do one thing, and that's to clean. To remove dirt, oil, grime, bacteria, makeup, all the shit that gets on your skin throughout the day, right? If you have a layer of that's still on there, all the products you have afterwards, your toner, your serums, moisturizers, again, what I just said, those are not made to break through dirt, oil, grime, makeup. Those are made to be applied to clean skin. Every single study that is done with those products is done on clean skin. So think of your cleanser as not only to clean your skin, but it's what's gonna actually make everything else you do work more effectively. So first thing people always ask, well, I'm supposed to have my hands wet and my face wet. I personally don't like that method. There are several methods of proper cleansing out there. This is my way I'm gonna talk to you guys about today. It is not the only way. So I always tell everybody to get a white washcloth. Why a white washcloth? I'll say that 3 times fast. Because it is going to be your best friend. You know, like your best friend that tells you all her secrets? This is her, right? Not the best friend that lies behind your back. That's not your bestie. This is your bestie. She's gonna tell you all your secrets, okay? So when you're cleansing, if you're wearing makeup, you have to do minimum 2 cleanses. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I don't wanna hear about your micellar water that you got from Target. It's bullshit, okay? This is what's gonna tell you everything. You're gonna use dry hands and a dry face. You're gonna take your cleanser. You're gonna do about a nickel size. I think that's a nickel size. I'm not good at that, but a nickel size-ish. And you're gonna work it into your hands. You're gonna take your other hand and run it underneath the sink real quick. So it's a little bit damp. You're gonna work it a little bit more to get those actives working. If you have too much water to where both of your hands are super wet, your face is super wet, you're actually gonna emulsify out some of those actives in your cleanser and you're not gonna get as deep of a cleanse. So this is super important. I know you're probably rolling your eyes thinking, I know how to freaking clean my face. You probably don't. So you're gonna, work those actives in and then you're gonna start to work it in all over your face. I tell all of my clients to count to 30 slowly. And I'm about to do it for you right now. Yes, it's ridiculous. So you start here, right? You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So that's 10 seconds right there. If you could see, I was moving like this and in circular motions because you really want to work it into the skin. Think about touching your face like it's putty or clay and really getting aggressive with it, right? You're not trying to beat yourself up, but you really want to work it in. So you've got your 10 seconds here. Then you're going to do 10 seconds here. Then you're gonna do 10 seconds through here. So now you're at 30 seconds. Then you're gonna take your washcloth with pretty hot water. Does not need to be scalding hot, but you don't wanna do cool water either. The new thing is tepid water. Bullshit. You want heat. The reason why you want heat on here is because that steam is gonna help to expand your pores. Pores ain't doors, they don't open and close. But what they do is they expand and contract. So when you have steam on your skin, it's gonna help to expand those pores. So now you can dig a little bit deeper with your cleanser. You're gonna use this white washcloth. It's gonna give you a gentle exfoliation. We're not getting crazy and getting aggressive, but a gentle exfoliation. And you're gonna just start to work it around, right? So as you're doing that, you're gonna see the makeup come off on your washcloth. Hello, your bestie telling you all your secrets. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in under the hot water and you're gonna rinse it out real quick. Your makeup's gonna come right out. Now you're gonna go back in, you're gonna do another 30 seconds. Yes, another 30 seconds. You're gonna go in, you're gonna do it, and you're gonna take this washcloth that's now white again, and you're gonna go back in and remove, right? Do all this stuff. Now, if you see makeup on here again, that means you have to go back and wash again, because if there's makeup on here, there's makeup on your face. And if there's makeup on your face, nothing else is gonna happen. So make sure that when you're washing, you have to use a white washcloth. Your best friend is telling you your secrets to make sure you get all this shit off your skin. And one more thing I wanted to tell you about this washcloth, besides the fact it's your best friend and it's gonna tell you, you wanna use this instead of splashing, right? We've all seen the Neutrogena commercials where they splash and it looks so amazing. And now I'm like wide awake in the morning. Splashing is for commercials, it's not for real life. So I just wanted to give you guys that little tidbit. Washcloths are for life. Splashing is for commercials. Again, I could dive way deeper, but you guys are probably bored out of your mind thinking, holy shit, now I gotta go clean my face for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna get off here. You go clean your face. If you have any additional questions, reach out to us. You guys know how to find us. Hit subscribe below. We're on Instagram, Facebook, all the things.